Hey, what's up, guys? Another update here. This is Gary, by the way, for those of you that don't know. And I don't think I've really covered it, but since the last couple of videos, what I've decided to do on this barn, leave it for 2 to 3 years, and then when we get our new shop up and going and get some business coming in and feel pretty stable and secure, we'll take this on as a project to tear it down and put a slab in and then rebuild it and use as many of the original materials and as much as the original design as we can, to kind of preserve it. So anyway, so you can tell it's kind of leaning a little bit, but it's pretty secure. I mean, it's not like it's going to just fall over. So I'm going to leave it for maybe a couple of years and just use it to store some things in. I've got a lot of stuff at my house, equipment and various things that can be that don't have to be in climate controlled environments and could be stored in here. So today I'm down here just gonna do a little cleanup, a little organization, and got some stuff here. As you can see, we got the generator running. Sorry about all the noise there. So hopefully you can see this. So I'm gonna use this room and I'm gonna build some shelving back in here, and you can see we've got our lights here from the shop and hook those up to the generator. We got a fan running, although it's not running very high. So we just got some sand and a few gravels and gonna level some things out and kind of get this level and put a shelf along this wall here. All right, so I'm gonna set up the camera and just do a little time lapse and take you along with me while I'm out here working, okay? All right, thanks everybody.